welcome back to another video. This one's gonna be kind of quick. All I'm really trying to do is get all my wheels kind of test fit onto my trailer here. Since this is how I'm gonna be transporting them to and from like track events and autocross events and things like that. What I'll probably do is I'll just measure off the wheels and see how much room I actually have. The inside of the trailer from rail to rail is 48 inches. These are on 11-inch rims, so I should have plenty of space even if there's overhang from the tires. I'm gonna wheel the rest of the tires up on the trailer and just go from there. So yeah, it looks like the fourth one does not have enough clearance to stay on the inside. Yeah, I could do that, but that's not super ideal. Nope, can't really do that either since that's one of my anchor points. So what I'll probably do is I'll just have it laying down right behind the rest of the tires. At least to me that makes sense. Actually, what I think I'll do is I will just have it standing up right behind all three of them. That way, whenever all of them are tightened down on, like against each other, there's no chance of them rolling back. So I think that is what I will do. So I'm going to respace all of these tires and find a good spot. What I'm going to do to keep a consistent space for these is I'm going to take these wheel chucks and put them on the edge on each side like so. And that way it just gives it a little added support to keep it from rolling back. So I'll do that, then I'll just add a washer on the bottom and grab a nut, and I should be able to tighten it down without much of an issue. So we'll give that a shot. Okay, cool. That tightened down just fine. Bolt's not sticking up. That's not going to wiggle too much. Cool. Yep, I am good with that. Now I'll just need to do the same thing to the other side. Got all my little wheel mounts set in place. Really the only other thing I want to do is I'm going to get my tank loaded up, or get my storage box loaded up with all my tools and whatever else I may need for the autocross this weekend. And then I'll get the rest of the wheels strapped down, and I will take it on a quick drive around, make sure everything feels good and is good to go. Alright, so I got all of my tools loaded up. Hopefully I'm not missing anything. Got my jack, got my impact, wrenches, gloves, sockets, what else do I got in here? Whole socket set. Got my torque wrench, my breaker bar. Got a blanket to lay on just in case. Probably grab some paper towels later, but I'll just throw those in the car. But I think that is just about it for everything that I need to go into here. So this is how it looks like stowed. I could probably just put a band around this, that way this isn't moving. Clearance wise it should be fine. Yeah, let me just grab a zip tie or something and strap that down. Well, I think everything is just about set in place. I do need to strap down the tires, but then that should be it. Yep, everything's tightened down, and that should be good. Real quick, everything's hooked up. I'm about to check lights, make sure those are good, and then I'm gonna take it off on a little drive around town here. Yep, looks like everything is in order. So I'm gonna take it out for a spin and see how it goes. Alright, well, I'm taking it on a little cruise down around town and up on the highway just to make sure everything feels good before I try to take it 3 hours down the road. I'll say so far I think it's just a little bumpy, so I may stiffen the dampers in the rear just a couple clicks, but other than that, it seems fine so far. Okay, cool. I just had to stop on O'Reilly's and exchange something, so it gave me a quick opportunity to back up with the trailer, and so far successful, and I did not jackknife it, so that's all good to go so far. Yeah, next I'm gonna get up on the highway, see how it feels out there, and then I should be good to go. I did stiffen up the rear shocks just a little bit. helps dampen the back of the car just a bit. Alright, well, I am up to 65 miles an hour. I don't see any death wobble. So it is pretty bouncy. But all things considered, it seems fine enough. Okay, I can still stop decent enough. Okay, well, I think I should be all good to go. Alright, made it back to the house. Everything seems to have been just fine. No issues or any concerns as far as how the trailer rode down the road. So I am confident enough I can make it to my destination without any issues. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So if you enjoy the content, please like, share, and subscribe, and comment down below, and I will see you in the next one.